Hey guys, it's Keke and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I have a Shop Miss A haul. So let's get started. Okay, the first item that I picked up some lip shine, some lip gloss, ultra shine lip gloss, and it is by LA Colors, and it is in the shade Altered Beige. Very pretty nude gloss. Next item I purchased up two liquid liners, also by LA Colors in the color black. Purchased two of those. This was a free gift because I don't remember ordering this. This is the 2-in-1 bottle watering nozzle. I also purchased the Malibu Glitz Eyes to Go 5 color eyeshadow palette. This was a nude color, well, nude color story. Very pretty nudes. I also purchased some Bikini Razors, and I use these for my brows to shave my eyebrows when they need to be trimmed. And it is a 3-pack. I also picked up another eyeshadow palette. This is also by LA Colors. It is in the shade Chic, and it is the 12 color eyeshadow palette, and it's a purple eyeshadow. Picked up the Kohl eyeliner pencil by Princessa, and it is in the shades dark brown. And last but not least, the last item that I purchased the Wonder Blender, and it is in the pink Wonder Blender by the AOA Studio brand. I love these. I always pick these up. They are so super soft. So you guys, that completes my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.